I have a bigger box in here.
Set them up.
You gotta take them down good.
The two components are the Echo One plastic model XCR, all polymer receiver, right around 380 feet per second. Very nice Robinson Armament trade. And then you got the component, the Cyma AK-74, 400 feet per second.
Built like a tank.
Built like a tank. Very nice full metal receiver. Little to no wobble on the gun. Setting up. Frankie, you got any tactics you're gonna use?
I'm just gonna see if I can keep my moving around behind this to fake him out and reveal him himself.
All right. And Chris is having some time getting ready for his battle. Chris, any tactics?
Just snap shooting, really. Just popping up and down really fast and trying to pin them down.
Alright, as you can see, his cover is more thick, but it's not as long as Frankie's, so we'll see how this all turns out. He's trying to find new cover. He didn't like this cover, so he's throwing right in here. I don't know how it's going to turn out. Might not look so good. Alright! War starts in 3, 2, 1, begin! Gotta make a move, man. He got you pinned. Get a little POV shot going on. Traded guns. Chris got the AK and Frankie's now got the Echo One. Starting in 3, 2, 1, begin! Sounds like Frankie got a headshot. Was that a hit? Yep. Alright, now the scores are just about even. 2 hits apiece. Yeah? Game! Game on!
Alright, I'll shoot first, hold on, and it's your turn.
Ah! Ricochet.
Alright, go back to semi. I'm on semi. You on semi?
He's on semi.
Alright. Oh! Nice!
The XCR-1 providing 6 kills out of the 8, while the Simon AK only provided 2. If you want to see more videos, check out our channel.